Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. I'm just going to real quickly show you the new pen tool we've been working on. It supports 2 buttons, so including the Wacom Bamboo Ink. Alright, so this will allow you to remap the side button on N-Trig pens, including the Wacom Bamboo Ink dual protocol pen with 2 buttons. Alright, so you have an option here for choosing the second button, which is the Surface default. So we have it set to space currently. So let's say we want to change it to Alt. This is still in beta, so there's a couple little bugs here that aren't working quite the way we want yet. But it is working quite well and is very promising as it goes right now. As you can see, all right, drawing straight lines, and Photoshop resize. I like this one. So it's really big. This one's tricky. I have not figured this one out yet. Okay, and they're small. And let's set it up for hover right click. And last one, and you can set this to whatever you want. So we'll do input mode. We're going to click down here, and then we're going to press undo. Control Z. And here you can see it undoing. Pretty snazzy. All right, you guys, if you're interested in this, I'll put a link in the description to bring you to a page where you can subscribe and be alerted to when this will be available fully. All right, thanks. Until next time, stay creative and share this with anybody who you think would be interested in remapping the button on their pen. All right, bye.